Hello everyone! Welcome to Zairene's Litcast, and in today's podcast, we will discuss the summary and analysis of Epic of Gilgamesh. Let's start with the summary. The Epic of Gilgamesh, one of the world's oldest literary works, tells the story of Gilgamesh, the powerful two-thirds divine yet tyrannical king of Uruk. The gods created Enkidu, a wild man, to challenge the king. After a fierce battle, the two become fast friends, and their profound bond transforms Gilgamesh into a compassionate ruler. Together, they embark on heroic adventures, including slaying the demon Humbaba and the Bull of Heaven. These acts anger the gods, who sentence Enkidu to death. Gilgamesh is devastated by the loss and becomes obsessed with escaping his own mortality. He journeys to find Utnapishtim, the sole survivor of a great flood, who was granted eternal life. Utnapishtim challenges Gilgamesh to stay awake to prove his worthiness, but Gilgamesh fails. He later finds a plant that restores youth, but a snake steals it before he can use it. Defeated, Gilgamesh returns home. While he fails to achieve physical immortality, he accepts his human fate. The epic concludes by asserting that his legacy, the mighty walls of Uruk, is his true, enduring form of immortality. And now we have the analysis. The story can be seen as a look of indifference between the ruling king Gilgamesh and the common man Enkidu. Gilgamesh is a powerful ruler who oppresses his people, but his friendship with Enkidu changes him. Their friendship bridges the gap between the classes. The story uses a clear highlight of trials and struggles of the characters. The narration of the story has a smooth flow and transitions. For the psychological analysis, it has a clear phases of grief, denial, friendship, and even acceptance. And that would be all in today's podcast. I hope you learned something. Thank you and God bless.